Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. So today we're going to plan for the week beginning 29th of April through to the 5th of May. And this week I actually have something really fun that I want to do. On the 2nd of May, it is Harry Potter Day, and Hubman and Chubgirl have something that they call the Vault. And every so often they open it and it's like fan art type kits. They just recently added Toy Story, I believe, to it. But anyway, I had got Harry Potter and I have been itching to use this collection since I bought it. It's so adorable. So today is going to be lots of fun putting it all down. So let me show you what I have to work with. Now I do have lots of other stuff in this collection, but I just recently, when they just opened the Vault again, bought the standard size kit for this, and I've put the other stuff with it, so I'll be able to get use out of all the stuff in the future. But anyway, we get our 9 food boxes and all the little labels. This is sheet 2, lots of different labels and faux glitter washi. And then this last one has these really adorable glasses with a lightning bolt, banners, the weekend with a butter beer and books, the Monday to Sunday, and some washi at the side, and lots of stuff. I also have this sticker sheet. I pulled out Wizarding World to use with it. Thought it would be fun. It has 2 little Dumbledores. I'm going to use one of the Dumbledores in my weekly theme. I think I'll start with that first in case I forget. And all this other stuff here. The little Hogwarts is really cute. And then I actually have 4 Harry Potter washies, 2 from Hubman and Chubgirl that were the duo that came with this collection, and 2 that I just recently purchased from Planner Monkey Co. They're the same washi, only one has a background that is a brown and the other one is a background that is white, so I'll be using them. And then I also pulled out this little die cut of Luna. It's so cute. She's holding a quibbler and a wand, and she has her little glasses on that she uses to read the quibbler. Definitely using that. And then I also have these from Planner Monkey Co. to do my dates. I've been using these all year. They are transparent minis, TBM 264. And then pen wise and Zigling colour dot wise, I have the Pentel Energel Clena. I've been using this last week and I used it for my monthly for May, and I just feel like using it again. I've took a notion. It has a 0.5 ink in it in black. And then I pulled this out for fun. It's a metallic Zigling colour dot in gold, and I thought it'd be cool to use it this week alongside all this stuff, just to make it that little extra special. So let's put down the top part, the dates and the header, and the bottom part, which I use to note the weather along the bottom, and then I just put washi on the other 2 parts. And we'll get that set up first, and I'm definitely covering it this week. Don't think either of the colours would have really went, but I want to use these little Monday to Sundays. They're adorable, and it's 2 different colours, which would be really annoying, so I'm definitely going to cover it up. So out comes the trusty mono correction tape. So let's get that down first, and then we'll get moving on to the sidebar.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. Feel like like you can really fly up there.
Before I go any further, I'm going to put Professor Dumbledore on here. So let's draw our little line. How many weeks are there in May, just to make sure I'm leaving enough space? 1, 2, just 4, that's okay. And this is week 18. And then let's put the transparent date sticker. This is from Planner Monkey Co. And finally, Professor Dumbledore. Yay! It's so cute. Oh dear. So normally I would be putting my vinyl on the sidebar, but I kind of want to put her over here. I don't know why, I just feel like doing something different, and I want to put Hogwarts up at the top, like it's a vinyl, even though it's, I suppose it is a vinyl sticker. Anyway, I just want to put it up at the top here. And then right underneath it, I'm going to get, let's do the snitch. And we can write that it's week 18. Right here. And then, how many of these do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I want to put them in the days or use them in the sidebar? Yeah, I want to put some in the sidebar. I'll just use them sort of randomly throughout the week then, because obviously I won't need all 6 in the sidebar. So let's put the little glasses header straight underneath that. Okay, and then I need a work header, and because that is green, I will pick the blue one. Apparently, my sister texted me today, and this is a complete coincidence that I happen to be doing a Harry Potter theme when she texts this, but Audible are releasing a voice actor read of Harry Potter. So at the minute, I believe they have, what do you call him? No, I've taken a complete blank, but there's an actor, like presenter type guy who reads them at the minute, but he just reads it himself. But they're getting voice actors, you know, to do each character and read the story out. And I've been holding off to reread them, and I think I would be really tempted to try that, to be able to have the book in front of me but listen to it as well. I think that would be really fun experience with all the different voices being read out and everything. I don't know, maybe give it a go, wouldn't hurt, but it's pretty cool. And then I believe they are doing a new series, although it's on a network we don't have in the UK, but I'm sure they'll release it over here, hope so. Right, so that's Saturday and Sunday off, because I don't work the weekends. And then once I've done this, I like to put down my this week so that I can see what space I have left. Feels like I have a ton of space. And there's only one of these stickers, so whatever colour it happens to be is what I have to use. And that's where I write YouTube, Instagram, and put a little dot on what I have posted. So what am I going to put in between? Let's do something fun. I'm spoiled for choice, and this is only a selection. Like I said, I didn't lift everything out because I knew I would feel really overwhelmed if I had every sticker available to me. Let's do Hogwarts train. Right underneath. And then another glasses doodle banner right underneath that. And then let's use one of our full boxes because they give us 9 and there's only 7 days, so I might as well use some space up in that. I love the Hogwarts one, but we've already got Hogwarts up there. And I'll maybe use the 4 houses ones during the week. We've already got a train. So it's between these three really. I'm overthinking it, I know, but I can't help it. Let's do the shield, because I have little shield stickers for to go here that I can use during the week. So yeah, let's do that. Oh crap. Let's do this little platform 9 3/4 sign. Kind of all about travelling to Hogwarts along the side. Sort of. Right, I'll write in everything for the sidebar, and then I'm going to choose all my placement of my little full boxes, and then we'll get the planning done.
My hand in his so patiently, we watch from our proud little tree, beyond a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake, the jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears.
I just asked Alexa while I was planning, and apparently the Harry Potter day is the 2nd of May because it's supposed to be the day that he defeated Voldemort on the 2nd of May. So there you go. You learn something new every day. Anyway, I am going to put down my plans. I have this little sticker here before I do that. From Coffee Monsterz Co, and it's wearing a Hufflepuff scarf, and I am a Hufflepuff, so where am I going to put it? I just wanted to put that little nod in there. Yeah, I'm going to put it over here beside the work. On Monday I will be updating my groceries for the delivery on Tuesday, so let's do the little quill. And then, as well as lifting out the sticker from Coffee Monsterz Co that has the Hufflepuff, I also went into my Halloween collection and got this little emoji with a witch's hat on out of the computer. Thought that would be fun for updating groceries. I said before I do it on my phone, but it doesn't matter. So let's update groceries, and then I have the Tesco delivery at 12, so let's put a gold dot. Honestly, my plans are pretty boring at the start of the week. I put in very little because I plan each morning for that day, sometimes for the next 2 days, it just depends. I like to be more in the moment planning and only put the things that I know of in advance. So for example, it is a Friday today and I'm planning for the week ahead. And I have planned my Friday this morning of all the things that I want to get done. But I haven't planned my weekend because I don't know what I'm going to do in my weekend. I think I'm going to visit my mum and dad tomorrow. But, you know, there's been weeks where I've woke up, like for example, I could have put in here that I was going to visit my mum and dad, but I ended up staying in bed all day because I had like the dizziness spell thing. So because I'm doing this as a memory planner and it's a keepsake, I like to only put in the things I definitely know. Yes, the odd time those things that I definitely know change, but that's very rare. and I just maybe lift the sticker, cover it with washi, whatever. But for the most part, I like to be more in the moment. So at this stage, like I said, it is pretty standard. But anyway, I'm just saying that because I feel like some people maybe are put off because they don't have this full spread of loveliness at the start of the week. And I just want to let you know that that's fine, you know. And if it is a case that you need to have the ability to scribble, get a separate planner and scribble in it and write stuff in advance, and don't be afraid to score it out, and then have your planner for stickers too. You know, there's no law saying you're only allowed one planner. Definitely not. Because if there was, then quite a lot of members of the planner community would be in prison for breaking said law. Anyway, right, what was I doing? Tesco delivery. So I'll put down, I think, let's do the, I was going to say the dark mark. That's not the dark mark. What do you call that? Gosh, it's been ages since I have read Harry Potter and have taken a mental blank. Oh no, that's annoying me. Hold on, I have to Google it. Oh, hold on, my sister's ringing me. I will talk to her and Google this and then come back to you. What do you call the, in Harry Potter, what do you call the triangle mark thing? Where it's like...
Deathly Hallows?
Yes! Thank you, thank you. Sorry, just had to take a break there to talk to my sister and I forgot what I was doing. Tesco, that's it. Right, so let's put in this little Hubman and Chubgirl grocery bag. Here. Okay, we're nearly there. I only have 2 things left to mark, and that's the bins. So let's do yellow down here and one of these smaller labels. And then I have this newer sticker. It's from Hubman and Chubgirl. It says recycling. We used to have a big blue bin like that for recycling, and now we have like this small wheelie bin. And I really wish we could get the big bin back. Say that 3 times fast. And then I'm going to do trash day over here. And 3 dots. Right, let's put down little Luna. Do I want to remove the times beside her? Yep, I do. I thoroughly enjoyed that, I have to say. And I'm going to enjoy filling it in throughout the week. Right, I'm going to tidy up my desk and I'm going to transfer what's left of these as usual into here to use throughout the week. So.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself.
There, and if I don't use any of these little doodles and character, I can create a little section in my, one of my sticker books has a character section. It's where I got this from, and I have loads of other like emoji versions of Harry Potter, and I can just create a little section, like I said, and keep them together and use them in the future from journaling or something. So yeah. Now, that's us planned again for another week. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out today. I hope you enjoyed that, and take care, and I will speak to you really soon. Bye.
I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no